guys, welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today we went to Best Buy and I picked out this one, this graphic card, and me kind of a little bit over MSRP, and we're gonna do like a kind of little unboxing. I just grabbing it and just taking it. This is super small, and I ordered this graphic card thanks to Brandon Coin. Like he said, was like for the price of this 3060, what is 730 with a discount, the code discount, they also was offering it. Came out $20 cheaper, and that's what we went and picked it up. You can see this is a super small boxes, like the 1660 Super we got for PNY, where they're doing pretty good. Temperature they're doing fine, and stuff like that. I think they're doing pretty good on temperature because I got those Delta fan. Oh, look at my classic, guys. I like this one. And we're gonna do a little unboxing and we're gonna see what we got on these boxes, and then we're gonna have, we still got the 6600 test, and we're gonna have the 3060 test we're gonna do on it. We got all the stuff coming out too on the channel, and we're working on this right now. We're gonna keep it those videos under 5 minutes. That's what we're gonna be doing so far, and let's go to do this beautiful unboxing. Alright guys, so we got two like all week, and alright, so let's do this right here, that right there, this right here. I'm not expecting a lot out of the boxes, especially in a small package like this. Sorry, go with the camera. Especially in small package like this. Yeah, I can see in it. That's what you're gonna get out of things. They won't put anything else. These small stuff. That's it. Alright, so I'm gonna put this down over there. You can see that they dab on it too, because this is the package for a graphic about that low. Alright guys, you can see in it. We got the same thing on the 1660. Alright, so you can see we don't have no back plate or anything like that. I'm probably gonna buy me some kind of back plate. It's probably gonna be pretty easy to design one. To get a small back plate and back, so that way we can get a very cooler system. You can see in it. That's what we got. That's a PNY 3060. It's not no TI. It's the regular 3060. I don't. Let's see what version is this one. I assume this is the version 2. I don't think this is gonna be the new one. Looking over here, this is the second generation or the fourth generation. I guess I'm gonna do this is first generation. Yeah, this is the second version, the version. Well, looks like it's version number 2. So, yep, version number 2. And guys, thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you into the next one. I'll show you guys the window for now. And into the next one.